Have you ever thought about how many things in life can be fixed when broken? It's a fascinating concept, right? Life, like a complex puzzle, can often feel overwhelming when pieces fall out of place. Yet it's important to remember that almost everything broken can be mended with time, effort, and the right mindset. Relationships can heal through communication and understanding. Health can improve with proper care and perseverance. And careers can be rebuilt with resilience and new opportunities. Every challenge offers a chance to grow, adapt, and emerge stronger. Embracing setbacks as stepping stones, seeking support from loved ones, and maintaining a positive outlook can transform broken moments into paths toward personal growth and fulfillment. Remember, it's not the breakage that defines us, but how we choose to repair and rebuild our lives. But not everything can be made more beautiful in the process.
Today, we're diving into the world of Kintsugi, the Japanese art of mending broken pottery with gold. This ancient practice symbolizes resilience and beauty in imperfection, and it holds some valuable and powerful life lessons for all of us. We all face challenges in life, and many of us struggle with accepting imperfections, failures, and setbacks. It's natural to want everything to be perfect, but what if embracing our flaws could lead to something truly transformative? Picture this. Each setback is not an insurmountable obstacle, but a stepping stone to personal growth. Think of the famous Japanese art of Kintsugi, where broken pottery is mended with gold, transforming its cracks into unique, beautiful patterns. Our lives, too, can become more enriched and resilient by embracing and learning from our imperfections.
When we obsess over perfection, we often miss out on valuable learning experiences that come from failure and imperfection. Consider how innovators and successful individuals have often stumbled and fallen before achieving greatness. Thomas Edison, for example, famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Embracing this mindset allows us to view our flaws not as permanent marks of inadequacy, but as vital components of our journey towards self-improvement and success. By accepting and learning from our imperfections, we can transform our lives into a tapestry of experiences, each thread contributing to a richer, more resilient self. A setback could be an opportunity in disguise, paving the way for growth, creativity, and profound transformation.
Let's delve into the philosophy behind Kintsugi. By embracing our imperfections and past traumas, we can actually experience profound personal growth and uncover inner strength we never knew existed. When we shift our perspective and view our scars not as marks of weakness, but as symbols of resilience, we open ourselves to transformation. This mindset allows us to harness the power of our experiences, turning adversity into a source of empowerment. Just like how muscles grow stronger by facing resistance, our character and spirit can be fortified through the trials we endure. Embracing our imperfections teaches us self-compassion and humility, while confronting our past traumas can lead to healing and greater self-awareness. Ultimately, it's about recognizing that our scars tell a story of survival and triumph, and by owning that narrative, we become more resilient, empathetic, and empowered individuals. Imagine someone taking their brokenness and turning it into something beautiful. This is the power of resilience and self-acceptance. When we embrace our imperfections and past traumas, we allow ourselves to heal and grow stronger. This process is similar to Kintsugi. By acknowledging and accepting our flaws, we can turn our struggles into strengths and create a more authentic and empowered version of ourselves.
Nelson Mandela's story is a profound example of this transformation. After spending 27 years in prison during South Africa's apartheid regime, Mandela emerged not with bitterness, but with a vision of reconciliation and peace. His time in prison, though filled with hardship and isolation, forged his resilience and deepened his commitment to justice. Mandela's ability to turn his suffering into a source of strength and his scars into symbols of empowerment resonates deeply with the concept of Kintsugi. By embracing his painful experiences, Mandela was able to lead a divided nation towards unity and become a global symbol of resilience and forgiveness. His journey exemplifies how embracing our brokenness can lead to extraordinary personal growth and profound impact on the world. In summary, Kintsugi teaches us that our scars and imperfections can be sources of strength and beauty. Just as broken pottery is repaired with gold to create something unique and resilient, our past experiences, no matter how challenging, can shape us into extraordinary individuals. This ancient art reminds us that healing and growth often emerge from our struggles, transforming our vulnerabilities into powerful assets. By embracing our flaws, we can uncover a deeper sense of self-worth and purpose, ultimately leading to a more enriched and fulfilling life. I encourage you to reflect on your own broken pieces and see how you have found strength in your imperfections. Share your story with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal growth and self-acceptance. Together, let's embrace our imperfections and shine brightly like the gold in Kintsugi. And that's a wrap for our video on Kintsugi. Thank you for watching, and remember, our imperfections make us unique and beautiful.